다시 믿어 backpacker 우리는 backpacker 내가 묻은 신발이 바래져도 backpacker 우리는 backpackers yeah we the backpacker 지 가방 안에 굳은 다시 믿어 backpacker 우리는 backpackers yeah we the backpacker 내가 묻은 신발이 바래져도 backpacker 우리는 backpackers 신발은 언제나 가방
May I talk to you for a moment?
Yes, sure. Please have a seat, Atif.
Actually, I want to make a complaint about the workshop condition. It really messy these days. There's oil on the floor, metal scrap and everywhere and tool left out place. Yesterday, I almost tripped over a cable near the welding area and one of our students slipped because of the oil spills. It's very dangerous and could be cause injury. So, I hope we can take immediate action. Maybe we can assign cleaning duties or improve our housekeeping system. How about it?
I'm really sorry about that, Atif. We should have monitored the condition more closely. Thank you for informing us. I will report to maintenance staff and safety officer.
Oh, so can I come along and meet the maintenance staff and safety officer?
Yes, sure, Atif. Yes, no problem. Okay, Atif, this is the technician room. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Hi, Muhammad and Ahmad. He is Atif. He has complained about housekeeping and they in a workshop. Atif, can you tell us which areas are the most problematic?
So, the welding area, the storage area and the rubbish bins are full and no system proper that want to dispose the waste.
Yes, I'm sorry. I understand how frustrating that must be. Poor housekeeping doesn't just affect safety. It also reduces productivity and morale. Everyone deserves a clean workspace.
Actually, our cleaning tool are quite old. The mop and the broom last week, and we don't have enough garbage bin. The cleaning contract only come twice a week.
Yes, I noticed that too. I have also seen the workers not following the 5S system. Some left tools on bench after use and do not wipe oil spill immediately.
Rahma, please make a list of cleaning tools that need replacement and submit it today.
Okay, I will prepare a new housekeeping schedule. Every one section will have 2 people responsible for end of the day cleaning. I will also set up a weekly inspection checklist to ensure the rules are followed.
Additionally, I will conduct a short 5S and safety briefing this Friday. We will also put up poster to remind everyone, clean as you go.
Dear Muhammad and Ahmad, we will provide new cleaning tools and protective gloves for anyone handling waste or oil.
Okay, thank you so much everyone. I'm glad that you're taking this seriously.
No worries, Atif. I will handle the tool and storage.
And I will make sure the new system is enforced. If anyone ignore it, I will remind them politely. Clean workspace and safe workspace.
Excellent teamwork, everyone. Let's maintain good housekeeping habits from now on.
Oh wait, before we end this, let me show you the area that I'm talking about. Thank you very much. Okay, so this is the welding area. As you can see, it's a mess. Okay, and there's the this is the mess that I'm talking about. As you can see, they are not proper. Okay, over there, the storage area. Okay, so right now we at the rubbish area. As you can see, this rubbish is already full and some waste is on the floor. It hasn't been clear since Monday.
Yes, I can see that. This is a hygiene issue and also a fire hazard because of metal dust and all-set rats.
Okay, so this is a storage room. Let's take a look inside. Let's go. Okay, so this is a storage room. As you can see, they are messy. You have to organize it properly, like this. Alright, like that. Alright, okay, that's it. Okay, the storage room is disorganized. Some tools are not written properly, like this.
That's another 5S problem. We need to label the shelves and assign tool rack.
Note Muhammad, we will add another bin here and ensure daily waste collection.
Okay. I will also prepare a housekeeping checklist for each area. Workers must be take it before leaving their shift.
Oh, that's a good plan. I will help remind everyone to take responsibility.
This is a great idea. Once we start 5S routine and weekly inspection, this area looks so much better and safer.
Perfect teamwork, everyone. Let's make this workshop a model of good housekeeping and safety.
Everyone, for your cooperation, meeting dismissed.
That's a good idea.